What is up, guys? Today we'll be playing Animal Company. Oh. Hey, show them, everybody. Show it. Yeah. Okay, let's start playing the game. So how do we play the game?
Okay, come here, Jacob. Come here,
This
Jacob.
is my first time playing, so.
Come here. Jacob, come here.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay. I'm here. What? Oh gosh. Hey bro, what's this?
No.
What's this machine?
Yeah, you should get in there. You need to get in there.
Okay. Fine.
Dude. Get in there. Get in there.
Fine. Okay. Fine.
Okay, just wait. Get in there.
Okay, I'm in.
Now stay in there. Stay in there.
Okay. I'm staying in. What the heck? What the? What? What?
I may or may not. Oh, your body's in there.
Wait, what? Finn.
Oh, there's a blood stain in here. Come here. There's a blood stain.
What? You get in there. You get it.
Fine.
Okay.
Wait, no. Wait, Jacob. No!
Yes! Yay! Let's see what. Oh.
Oh, no, 2%. Great.
Oh, look, it's a bunch of fan art
You know
From-
I'm at 2%, so.
from their Discord.
Jacob.
Okay, let's get to the point of this game.
Come with me. Come on. We're actually gonna play the game now.
What's this?
Okay. Or you could just step on that landmine.
I didn't know. Okay, I didn't know. I didn't know.
This is all your fault.
I didn't know.
This is all your fault.
I didn't. Okay.
Jacob.
What? Dang. Okay.
Dang. Wait, Jacob, come with me.
Okay.
Hoi. We're gonna go meet Mr. Giant.
Who's Mr. Giant?
Well, first, don't
Oh, your Oculus died? Charge it. Okay. Do I run through the path of it? Of landmines? Okay. Huh? What was that sound? Don't worry, guys. Finn will be joining in a little bit. He's just gotta charge his Oculus. What's in here? Ooh, bananas. Oh, flashlight. What's up here? Whoa. What is this place? Finn, do I just keep going down this path? What? What the? Why do I see chickens? And hi, chickens. Oh, what the? God! Okay, so is that you? Why did the chickens have a yacht? Get away! Get away from me! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away from me! What the? What the Finn? Why did I see Queso? No, he didn't grab me because I ran away from him. What the heck is that? Finn, I just died. No, I didn't die to Queso. I died to this, like, flying thingy. I died to a blue guy. That looks like me. Maybe. Why? Kind of. Finn, is your Oculus charged? Okay. Okay. When will your Oculus be charged? Da, 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 da. Not horizon? What is not horizon? Oh. What the? Oh. That's I'm playing Nut Horizon. Yes. Cool. What's this? Oh, that's the exit. Never mind. Why is it taking me? Man, how did I manage to make it up here? On top of the ceiling. No, a ceiling. It's underneath where Queso lives. Oh, no! Now let's get out of here. Nah. Nah. I'm not going there again. What's in here? Finn, where are you? Finn, how much is your Oculus charged at? Okay. Okay. Hold on, guys. Give me a sec. I'm gonna let Finn see what I see. Oh wait, no. Huh? Give me a sec, guys. I pressed the wrong button. Share. So that you can see me play. Yeah. Don't ask.